Update. Fishing sucking right now. I tried to go on the other side of the jetties, but it was way too rough. I mean, look at this, I'm going. It was way worse on the other side. We're just out the bay, so unfortunately the 12-hour trip may get canceled tomorrow. Now it's gonna suck. Suck twin balls. What did I say that? Okay, so these jetties stretch out for a very long ways. Very long ways. Let's see how much is stuff. I think that's. Yeah, we're moving the spots.
Y'all go ahead and reel them up as fast as y'all can. And,
Reel them up!
yeah, go ahead and reel them up, guys.
I did that. Go fit. Party. My daughter got shot upon by one of those. Got her on the arm. She hated it. She got shot upon. Shit. Get out of here, you little shit. They're not shot upon me. I will eat you for breakfast. Stealing bait. That's what he's doing. On the boat stealing bait. You little thief. Lock it up. I got my eye on you, buddy. You're gonna sneak up on me and shut up on me. No, I don't think so. Let her go. I'll feed you to the fish. Oh, you're going in. Got buddies. Brought his buddies. Yeah, don't yell at me. I got asthma. Don't yell at me, I got asthma. Shut up already. Okay, so new spots. Hopefully we find some fish. That spot was horrible. But these 4-hour trips that are like hit and miss. We try to do the early morning one, which is better in the morning because fish, you know, they wake up and they're hungry. But it's better than the afternoon trip usually. Then you gotta wake up really early, and that sucks on vacation, right? I'm on vacation, I don't wake up at 5:30. Who wants to do that? Not me. But, and then to not catch any fish. Okay. Maybe Clyde cursed me. Did you get Polly to put a curse on me, Clyde? Said, no fish today for Scotty the troll. He's a little shit. He's talking shit. That guy moved me. Oh, pervert. Must be from Portland. Oh, we're moving. We are moving. That's an oil platform or something. Not a platform. Oil. Filming difficulties on a moving boat. Not gonna work. Not gonna work. So we got these houses or something over there, a bunch of buildings, water tower, this stupid bird keeps stalking me, he wants to shat upon me. I will eat you for breakfast, buddy. Gosh. Just bowl right through these little boats, come on. Knock them out the way. Just knock them out the way. Oh, it smells good. You're grilling downstairs. Need to eat food. But I already got squid ink on my hands and apparently my hair. It was on my face. I didn't know it was on my face. My wife said, or my daughter said, Yeah, look, you got a mole? Is that a weird mole? And I reached up there, and no, it was squid ink, and I just rubbed it all in my hair. So I stink badly. It's fairly typical for me, though. A couple years back, there was a YouTube streamer, Loro Fishing. He was next to me, and I squid inked him on his nice Loro Fishing white fishing shirt. I got that purple ink all over me. Just poor guy. And I didn't want to tell him actually I didn't tell him. I didn't tell him until when I got home, and then I texted him. Apologized to him in his chat. Sorry, Loro. I've been keeping in contact with that guy. He's cool, from Texas. He invited me to come down to go out on his boat in Texas. I didn't want to, though, because the poor guy lost his entire family on his first boat. The entire family. That is so sad. Like, no thanks. You're not the best boat driver, buddy. Nobody asked me to come out. Clyde be doing that. Clyde Maddox be taking me out on that boat that never comes back. Okay, we made it past the jetties. Yes, we couldn't do that last time. We're going up. Nah. Oh, there we go. We're hitting them. Look at that. They were like 8-10-foot swells. Yeehaw! There we go. Ride 'em, cowboy. Got the little boats. The little boats. Some more big boats. Good, we're on this side. Hopefully the fish is over here, but it's going to be rough. Someone's going to be puking out the back of the boat. I hope it's not somebody related to me. Whoa, horses. I haven't got my sea legs yet. Okay, looks like we're going to be hopefully stopping soon, so I can get the poles back down in the water and catch something. Y'all ain't seen downstairs. Let's do that real quick. Oh, I almost fell. Medic. I almost needed a medic. Okay, you got to walk down backwards on these stairs, right? Backwards. Hold on to the rails. Backwards. Or you can be in trouble because they're steep. We got places back here for the fish, stairs, live well. Every spot's numbered. Let's see, we got the grill. Earthquake. Usually this, you can see the screen here. The fish. We got the bathrooms. Probably not the best time to be going to the bathroom. You hear that smacking around? It's laying there. This is close the door. You want to do close the door. It's supposed to be closing the door, people. Washing your hands. There's a little valve in there. You gotta turn it on. Captain's up there.
Guys, we're probably gonna go fish East Beach right over here. It's just, it's gonna be calm enough to fish.
Good.
This stuff right here, I'm not putting y'all with this for 4 hours. So y'all bear with me. I'm gonna go cruise along East Beach. Find a good spot out of the current out of the way. We'll drop anchor there. Give me just a few minutes, guys.
Okay, a few more minutes. These are the Cavalier. We're on the red snapper trips, but we're not far enough out for a red snapper. Okay, well, that is the tour of the Cavalier. If you want to puke, you're supposed to come to the back of the boat right here. Chum the waters. There you go.
All right, y'all have a good day.